Hey guys, my name is Kim, and we are going on a canyon run. Guys, obviously in those videos I was going no paddle shifters, no manual mode, it was just straight automatic, and that's because I was holding the camera. And it's even more fun when you put into manual mode and use the paddle shifters in this car, and it's probably even more fun if it was stick shift, but it's not, it's automatic. But it's really fun to drive in the back roads, and I did not expect the charge pipe to actually have an effect on the drivability of this car, and like how much smoother it pulls and how much less turbo lag there is with the CTS turbo charge pipe that I have. I did not expect it to have any change at all in drivability, but yeah, I'm just enjoying driving around and doing pulls in my car. I hope you guys are enjoying the video. Please go subscribe down below and like if you like the video. We got some Subarus over here, also going on a little canyon run together. Where's my BMW homies at? Oh, the Subarus. I bet y'all gap them in this. What do you guys think about Subarus? They're probably a little fun car to drive. But yeah guys, this is an N55 motor. Let me know what you guys think about the B58. I want to know what you guys think about the B58. Honestly, I've never driven a B58, but I want to try to drive one, and I want to compare the two of N55 and B58 and see what's the difference is, because there's a lot of talk between them, you know. Alright guys, I'm gonna go get some food now. I'm hungry. I'm gonna go get some Chipotle. You guys like Chipotle? Take you guys along with me on my drive to Chipotle. How exciting, isn't that exciting, guys? Oh my god. Speed bumps everywhere too. This is crazy. Too many speed bumps out here. check both sides. Always check both sides. Oh my God, that sounds so amazing, that N55 motor. People sleep on the N55. Come on, guys. Imagine I had a tune or exhaust or something. That would be insane. It would be popping like crazy, but it still pops in manual, or it still pops stock. But yeah, I can definitely tell the charge pipe makes a difference. Not an extreme difference, but it definitely has a difference. Guys, I want to show you a clip of the last time that I saw the whiteout Veloster Turbo that I sold, and it's gonna be in this clip right now. Guys, I wanted to keep it and buy the BMW, but financially it's just smarter just to sell that thing. But I do miss it a lot. That was the OG Veloster. If you guys have any questions about the Veloster, there's a bunch of videos on this channel about it. I made a bunch of videos on it because there weren't that many on the internet about the Veloster Turbo and modding it. But I've seen so many BMW M235 videos. Like, I don't know why this car's hated so much by the M community. Come on, guys. And guys, I'm gonna play another clip where I say that I'm gonna buy a BMW, and that's what I want to get when I had the Veloster. It's crazy. It's gonna show right now. Next car that I probably want is a BMW. A BMW, I fell in love with them. Oh my God, guys, look at that AMG. That's clean. Look how wide it is. It's insanely wide. But it's a Mercedes. I mean, it's just a Mercedes. All jokes aside, that's a fun car. It's so insanely wide. Like, that's stock. That's the stock width. Hey guys, I'm gonna go eat. Thank you guys for coming on my little canyon run, and I hope you guys are having a great day. Remember, life is too short to drive boring cars. Bye guys.